Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're repairing this. We're showing the this machine after we repaired it. It's a Breville 990 XL Oracle touch machine, touchscreen. And we replaced all the seals up here and the steam boiler. It's very common for these seals to go bad in these Breville, the Breville 980 and the 990. And then we also replaced this solenoid valve here, and we put a bigger one in that's much more durable than the original, as this solenoid valve often goes bad too on these machines. And just for your reference, this is the coffee boiler here. And if you want to order the solenoid valve from us, just call us and we can sell you one. Or go to our website, canoncoffee.com, and get our contact info. So now let's pour a shot. So we're gonna brew. So first pre-infusion. And then full shot pressure. You can see we get a beautiful shot of espresso, 2 ounces at 30 seconds. And then I'm just going to test the steamer. You can see we get nice strong steam. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.